Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Robinhood and want to move it to a more secure Tangem wallet for 2025, you're in the right place. With crypto regulations and tech updates happening all the time, transferring your assets safely is super important. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure you have both your Robinhood account set up and your Tangem wallet ready to go. Double-check that your Tangem wallet is properly initialized and you have your recovery phrase handy. It's your safety net. Now, open up the Robinhood app on your phone or computer. Head over to your portfolio section, find your XRP holdings, and tap on them to access the options menu. Next, select the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Robinhood might ask for some verification here, like a two-factor authentication code, so keep that in mind to stay secure. Once you're in, you'll need to enter the wallet address from your Tangem wallet. Pro tip: always double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully from your Tangem app. After that, specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees involved, especially with XRP's fast blockchain, so review those before confirming. Hit the Confirm button, and Robinhood will process your withdrawal. This usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on it. Once the transfer is initiated, switch over to your Tangem wallet app. You should see the XRP arriving shortly. Verify the transaction on the blockchain using Explorer tool if you want extra peace of mind. And just like that, your XRP is now safely stored. Wrapping this up, always stay cautious with crypto transfers. Double-check everything to prevent losses. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set for 2025's crypto landscape. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay secure out there.